Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your places. So I am your teacher Divya Verma and once again I am here with you and today we will be discussing lesson 3rd and 4th of your grammar book. So for today's session you would be having your grammar books and pencils in your hands and let's start with today's lesson without wasting the time. So chapter 3rd of your grammar book is about use of this and that. Use of this and that. Many of you must be knowing this concept prior to this lesson also. बहुत बच्चों ने ये केजीज में प्री प्राइमरी में कर रखा है. So let's revise it. Okay, first let's use of this. Simple. जो भी चीज हमारे पास होती है, हमारे नजदीक होती है, उसके साथ हम this लगाते हैं. This is a book. Like मेरे साथ पास क्या है? एक डस्टर है. This is a duster. This is a blackboard. This is a marker. This is a notebook. Okay. So let's start with the book exercise. So the first exercise is telling you that this dash is a flower. So क्या आएगा? This is a flower. इस भी उसकी हमें ही लिखना है. This is a flower. Second है, this is my pet cat kitten. Third is dash my house. This is my house. ये मेरा घर है. And the fourth is my bicycle. This is my bicycle. So children, जब भी कोई भी चीज आपके पास होती है उसके साथ हम this लगाते हैं. जैसे this is a flower, ये flower है. This is a pet kitten, ये मेरी pet kitten है. This is my house, ये मेरा घर है. This is a bicycle, ये मेरी bicycle है. Okay, very easy. The next step, use of that. इसका बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट, दिस से बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट. जो चीजें दिस में जब चीजें पास थी बट दैट में वो चीजें दूर हो जाएंगी. सो जो चीजें आपसे दूर होती हैं उसके साथ हम दैट यूज करते हैं. दैट इज अ सन, जैसे सूरज. दैट इज अ मून. दैट इज अ बिग ट्री. दैट इज अ स्टार, है ना. ये सब चीजें आपसे दूर है. दैट इज अ क्लाउड. ठीक है. दैट इज अ बर्ड फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. तो जो चीजें आपसे दूर होती हैं उसके साथ दैट लगाएंगे और जो चीजें आपके पास होती हैं उसके साथ हम दिस लगाते हैं. वेरी इजी कॉन्सेप्ट. सो लेट्स डू द पेज. नाउ पेज 13 ऑफ योर बुक. डैश इज द मून. डैश द मून. मून. तो क्या आएगा? दैट. ये तो बहुत दूर है. दैट इज द मून. That is a bird. Bird. That is a bird. Third one. That is an aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. जो एरोप्लेन आसमान में है तो बहुत दूर है इसलिए क्या आएगा? That आएगा. So the next exercise, you have to see जो चीजें पास है उनके साथ this लगाना है, जो चीजें दूर हैं उनके साथ that लगाना है. तो according to your book, ये पेज 13 पर ही है. Third exercise, I will just tell you the answers. First one, dash is a school bag. School bag कहाँ है? पास में है ना. So this is a school bag. Second है dash a helicopter. Helicopter तो दूर है. So that is a helicopter. Dash is my English grammar book. So this is my English grammar book. Fourth, dash is a giraffe. So that is a that is a giraffe, and fifth one, dash is a butterfly. So this is a butterfly. These two, I think it's on the, these two are on the next pages, so be careful with this. Okay, the next exercise, very easy. You have to see the pictures. See what is this in the first picture? Huh? It's a duck, I think. So what you will write? This is a duck. This is a duck. ये फुल सेंटेंस आपको लिखना है. सेकंड पिक्चर में क्या है? क्लॉक. क्लॉक इस तरफ बनी है, तो इस तरफ का क्या मतलब है कि वो दूर है. इस तरफ वाली चीजें पास कंसीडर की जाएंगी और इस तरफ वाली चीजें दूर कंसीडर की जाएंगी. सो दैट इज अ क्लॉक. Now third example, what is there? A cake. So जो इस तरफ की चीजें हैं वो पास हैं. So this is a cake. Okay, understood? So easy, very easy, na? Okay. So this was the concept of this and that. Now it's a fun time exercise for you all. I will just explain you, and you will be doing it yourself. Okay? So it's a fun time. Like the first word is dictionary. So in a book, डिक्शनरी से क्या क्या वर्ड बना है? उन्होंने बनाया है कार्ट, रोड, 2 मोर आपको बनाने हैं. सोचिए. I will make, let's say, TRY, try. Okay, and one more you can make NO. आप और अगर आपको कुछ और वर्ड्स बनते हैं तो आप अपनी मर्जी के भी बना सकते हैं. नो नीड टू note down mine only. You can do it yourself. Now the second example is given, carpenter. इन अल्फाबेट्स को यूज करके आपको न्यू वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. सो वेरी इजी. पहले तो ये 2 वर्ड्स ही यहाँ छुपे हैं, कार एंड पेन, है ना? 2 more words we have to make. Okay, let's make one more word, TE and 10. अपने से कोई अल्फाबेट यूज नहीं करना, यहीं से सब लेने हैं. Got that? TE and 10, and the next will be, I will make RAT, rat. Got that? Now the third is newspaper. Same, news and paper, 2 words तो यहीं से मिल गए. NEWS, news. Paper is also a word अलग से, है ना? So 2 you will be doing it now. This is your exercise. Please use your brains. Try hard and try to make 2 more words with the letters given in this word. Okay? चलिए. I hope this concept was really easy. So I have not taken much time with this concept, and it is very easy. So again revising it, the things that are closer to you, जो आपके पास होती हैं, we use this, and the things, जो चीजें आपसे दूर होती हैं, उनके लिए हम यूज करते हैं that. Okay. So chapter 4, naming words. Today we will be revising the naming words, जिनको हम और भी क्या बोलते हैं? Nouns. क्या बोलते हैं? Nouns. Okay? So what are nouns? आपको याद होगा, हमने एक पिक्चर बनाया था. नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, किसी इंसान का नाम. नेम ऑफ अ एनिमल और बर्ड, किसी जानवर या पक्षी का नाम. नेम ऑफ अ थिंग, किसी चीज का नाम. नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, किसी जगह का नाम. इन सबके नामों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? नाउन्स या फिर नेमिंग वर्ड्स. So today we'll be revising this naming word concept with the help of your grammar book. Okay, very easy. Let's start. Okay, you can see the pictures in your book. Yes. Now who is there in the first picture? Yes, in the first picture it is a girl. In the second picture it is a cobbler. Who is a cobbler? Cobbler mend my shoe. Yes, a person who mends the shoes, जो shoes ठीक करता है उसे cobbler बोलते हैं. The third one is teacher, like I am a teacher. The fourth one is a doctor. And in the fifth picture is a carpenter. Who is a carpenter? Who does wooden work, जो लकड़ी का काम करते हैं, जैसे टेबल चेयर बेड बनाते हैं, that is a carpenter. And tailor is a person. ये सब किसी पर्सन के नाम हैं. Tailor is a person who stitches clothes. Okay, so come on to the next page, page 16. This was page 15. Now page 16 we'll be doing. Okay, so I will read and write the answers. You will be doing it with me. Third exercise, first part. Here you go when you fall ill. When you are ill, जब आप बीमार होते हैं तो आप उस जगह पे तब जाते हैं. That what is the name of the place? Yes, it is a hospital. Hospital is a place when we go when we are not well. Here you see many animals and birds. बहुत सारे animals और birds देखने को मिलते हैं आपको यहाँ पे. The place is zoo. है ना, चिड़ियाघर. Third, here you go to study. यहाँ पे आप पढ़ने जाते हैं. आजकल तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, but usually you go. Where do you go to study? Yes, we go to school. Fourth, here you go to play. आप खेलने जाते हैं. You can write park or a ground. So let's write park. Ground भी सही है, it's not wrong. Ground में भी खेलने जाते हैं. Here your mom cooks food. आपकी मम्मी यहाँ खाना बनाती हैं. What is the name of a place? Kitchen. So, बेटा, these now pay attention. Girl, cobbler, teacher, doctor, carpenter and tailor. ये सब क्या थे? Name of a person. किसी इंसान के नाम थे. तो ये सारे भी noun हैं. और in second exercise में hospital, zoo, school, park, kitchen, these all are the name of the places. ये सब places जगहों के नाम है. That is also a noun. Okay. Next one. Okay, it was the third part. I'm so sorry. The third part is very easy. This is a fun time kind of for you. What you have to do in this, you have to find the 10 birds or animals from the grid. I will just discuss it with you. Please find it out yourself and mark it, and you can shade it or color it kind of. Okay, so you have to find the 10. So in the first line it is a penguin. इस तरह से उसे मार्क करेंगे. किसी कलर से भी कर सकते हैं, एंड इसको कलर से थोड़ा सा शेड कर सकते हैं. So there are so many. I will just tell you. There are, and you will find it yourself. Like penguin. Penguin के बाद नीचे parrot है एक. Rabbit is there. Wolf is there. Bear, duck, cuckoo, sparrow, fox, ox. Okay, so these are all the name of the birds hidden in the puzzle. Okay, the next exercise. This is also kind of a riddle. Page 17. Page 17. I shine in the sky, I gave you heat and light. Who shines in the sky and gives us heat and light? Yes. So, you can see in the picture also, it is a sun. Second, you need me to eat food. I am a spoon. And the third one, you need me to write. You need me to write. I am a pen. Or a pencil you can write. Put them, okay. So, these were the riddles. We have solved it. Very easy. Now, on the page 17, the second exercise, it is very important for you. I'm grabbing it again. second exercise. Okay, name of a person. I'll try to fit. Place, animal or bird, and last is thing. Okay, so let's write. जो पर्सन होंगे, जो कोई इंसान होंगे उनको यहाँ लिखना है, जो प्लेसेस होंगे उनको यहाँ लिखना है, जो एनिमल्स या बर्ड्स होंगे उनको इस कॉलम में, और जो थिंग्स होंगी, कोई चीजें होंगी, उनको इधर लिखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स राइट. फर्स्ट, गार्डनर. गार्डनर इज अ पर्सन, माली, स्टूडेंट, पढ़ने वाले बच्चे, पर्सन. ग्रॉसर, ग्रॉसर होता है दुकानदार जो ग्रॉसरी का सामान बेचता है, जो राशन की दुकान पे जो होते हैं, दैट इज अ ग्रॉसर. ओके, एंड द फोर्थ इज policeman. So these all are the persons. Now let's see the places. Places are garden, office and church. Okay, animals and birds, monkey, snail, giraffe and goose. These all are animals and birds. And the last column is things. So many things are here. Van, basket, mall. Oh sorry, mall is the name of a place. मॉल पता है ना, वेव मॉल है जो जम्मू में हमारे, दैट इज अ मॉल, इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस. फोन, इरेजर. So these are all the names of the things. So these are the person, these are the places, these are the animals and birds, and these are the things. So these all are naming words. ये सभी के सब naming words हैं. समझ आया आपको? Okay. Now we'll do the next exercise. A dash give you medicine. Who gives you medicine? A doctor give you medicine. Second, dash has a long trunk. बहुत बड़ी लंबी सूंड होती है. किसकी होती है? Elephant. Third, we see with our, हम किससे देखते हैं? We see with our eyes. Fourth, dash is a indoor game. Ludo or yes, Ludo is a indoor game. अब indoor game क्या होता है बेटा? इंडोर गेम होता है इन मतलब अंदर, जो घर के अंदर हम गेम्स खेल सकते हैं, जैसे कैरम, लूडो, चेस, ऑल दीज आर इंडोर गेम. एंड आउटडोर गेम्स होती हैं जैसे क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, जो हम घर के अंदर नहीं खेल सकते. वी नीड बिग ग्राउंड्स फॉर दैट. दैट आर आउटडोर गेम्स. ओके, okay, a very last exercise for the naming words. So it's a story of a farmer and a goose. Okay, I think बहुत लोगों ने ये स्टोरी पहले भी सुनी होगी. स्टोरी में करना क्या है, आपको जितने भी नेमिंग वर्ड्स इस स्टोरी के अंदर मिलेंगे उसको आपने अंडरलाइन करना है, हाईलाइट करना है. यू कैन यूज अ कलर टू हाईलाइट और अंडरलाइन इट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. I will just write the naming words and read the story. A farmer had a goose. In the first line, a farmer had a goose. So farmer and goose, इनको highlight कर दीजिए. It laid a golden egg every day. Egg. Name of a thing. See, name of a person, name of a bird, name of a thing. He sold the eggs in the market. Eggs फिर से आएगा market. Market is the name of a, see, market is the name of a place. It's the name of a place. He became rich. His wife was greedy. Wife. Name of a person. She wanted all the eggs. फिर से eggs आ गया. At a time. The farmer killed the goose. farmer again, goose again. Farmer killed the goose to get all the eggs. Eggs again. But he got nothing. पर उसे कुछ भी नहीं मिला. So these all are the naming words in the story. So let's discuss it again. Farmer is the name of a person. Goose is the name of a bird. Egg is the name of a thing. And market is the name of a place. Okay. So wife is the name of a person. Okay. Egg to already discussed here. So children, nouns and this and that, both the concepts are very important. It will be coming in your upcoming exam. So please do it properly. Try to understand it. Okay. After watching the video, you can do your book exercises yourself. No need to just copy it out. Try to do it yourself. Then check it whether you have done it right or wrong. And again, you can see the video and do your work. Complete your work and correct your work. Okay. I hope you all understood the today's concept. Okay. We'll meet next time. Bye bye. Take care.